This is RaveOn, a home designed by Nick Deaver Architect, located in Austin, United States. Originally built in 1956 by Fair and Granger, this mid-century modern house features a striking blend of wood, glass, and limestone, creating a seamless connection with nature. The 817 square meter residence sits on a steep slope, offering breathtaking views beneath towering live oaks. The elegantly pitched roof and clean architectural lines reflect timeless modernist principles. Inside, an innovative back-switching staircase divides private and social spaces, enhancing both privacy and flow. The living room features floor-to-ceiling windows, a minimalist open layout, warm wood paneling, and mid-century modern furnishings, creating a seamless blend of comfort and sophistication. The kitchen showcases a sleek, open design with warm wood cabinetry, deep blue tile backsplash, expansive windows, and integrated lighting, blending functionality with contemporary aesthetics. The bedroom features floor-to-ceiling windows, warm wood finishes, and minimalist built-in storage, creating a seamless blend of natural light, openness, and modern architectural elegance. The backyard showcases a seamless indoor-outdoor connection with floor-to-ceiling glass walls, a cantilevered upper level, and exposed structural beams. The illuminated interiors contrast elegantly with the landscaped pool area, while warm wood paneling and stone textures enhance the modern aesthetic, creating a sophisticated yet inviting architectural composition, blending transparency, light, and material harmony.